Delta Airlines is known for its extensive operations. Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, its main hub, is one of the busiest airports in the world. From here, Delta aircraft depart for destinations across the globe. Today, we follow a Delta 737-900ER as it prepares for a routine departure. The 737-900ER is a workhorse of the Delta fleet. It is the largest variant of the Boeing 737 family. This aircraft type is known for its efficiency and passenger comfort. The 900ER can carry a large number of passengers, making it ideal for busy routes. Long before passengers arrive, ground crews ready the 737-900ER. Baggage handlers load luggage into the cargo hold. Fuel trucks top off the tanks with jet fuel. Maintenance technicians make their final checks. Inside the terminal, gate agents prepare to welcome travelers. They scan boarding passes. They assist passengers with special needs. The gate area buzzes with anticipation. The gate agents announce boarding. Passengers line up by rows, eager to get settled. Flight attendants greet them at the door, directing them to their seats. The Boeing Sky interior, with its modern lighting and spacious bins, creates a welcoming ambiance. Passengers stow their carry-on bags and settle in. The cabin crew reminds everyone of important safety procedures. They demonstrate how to use seat belts and oxygen masks. The final moments before departure are always filled with anticipation. The engines roar to life. The plane taxis away from the gate. It joins a line of aircraft waiting to take off. Finally, it's our turn. The 737-900ER accelerates down the runway. The ground falls away. We are airborne, climbing into the blue sky above Atlanta. Our journey has begun.